Are you stuck, Lulu? Did you get stuck? What are you doing? What's wrong? Bella? What's wrong? Will? What is your sister doing now? Lulu, could you not tear that apart, please? What is the story? What? Hello? May I help you?